In order for one to succeed, one must fail, but learn from it.
These droid things of yours are very hard to fight. How can I even deactivate these things?
Be patient, Flintlocke. I know you can accomplish this task. Just find it within yourself.
I sure will, Sensei.
I'm impressed, Flintlocke. Keep this up and you'll become my next best student.
No problem, Sensei, but is there anything that I need to improve on?
Not much, but please reduce your anger and cockiness because it might help you in the long run.
Will do, Sensei.